keeper sauger, all right.
A big flathead.
Here he comes.
How much does he weigh? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going Mississippi fishing for walleyes.
Nice job, buddy.
Nice job. Hold him up high in the sun.
Scupper balls.
Ready? Got it. Nice job.
Yeah, that's probably.
Fish.
Oh,
Got a fish. Still on. No, well, he's just a little bitty dink, little sauger.
Such a cute baby.
A little bitty sauger.
Aww.
Jeepers.
Grandpa got him.
Haasik, big fish here, Haas, big one. Haasik, hurry. Here, Haas. Reel him up. Lana, give it to him.
Okay, okay.
Get the net ready.
Okay, this thing's easy.
Keep the tip up. Hand me the net.
What kind of pound test
Keep the
is
tip
this?
up. Keep the tip up. Oh, it's a keeper sauger. All right. And he just popped off in the net.
All right.
No, sauger.
Wow, same thing. That's wood right there.
Lots of difference between now and when we were here the other day with all that wind, isn't it?
Did he catch a lot that
Here you go.
Yeah,
Here you go. Haasik, your
Got
turn. Haasik's turn. Come here, Haas. Hurry, Wayne. Wayne.
I still got him.
All right. Keep reeling.
Keep reeling.
Here he comes.
A big flathead.
All right, you got a catfish, buddy.
Look at that.
Look at that flathead.
Oh, I thought he was hung up the way it was acting there.
Good job, man. Oh, don't need that in my hand.
Nice one, Haas. Come on, take your picture with him.
Come here. You want to hold him?
I'm not gonna hold him. He's huge.
It's nice. Here, you want to hold him up to the camera, Lando?
You know that, don't you?
There we go. There's a flathead. What, a 22-inch flathead?
This weighs 6 ounces. This thing weighs 6 ounces. Get away from me.
Fish.
What? Oh, I can't go.
There you go.
Oh, well, little sauger.
Again?
Not net worthy.
Baby guy.
Little baby sauger.
Maybe it's the same sauger.
Pretty close. Might be. Not too bright, is he?
See the spots on the fin there? Walleyes don't have spots.
Cool, huh? All right, look at that. 9-inch sauger.
How much does he weigh?
3 ounces.
4 ounces. 5.
5 ounces. It's a whopper. Okay, let's let him go. He can grow up and we'll catch him when he's 2-pounder. Yeah, here you go. Grab the pole. Start reeling. He's coming towards us. Here you go. Reel, reel, reel. Don't let it slack. Now you can slow down.
Over
To the left,
side.
to the left. There you go. Oh, it's a nice
Another.
flathead. All right.
Another flathead.
How about that?
All right. Way to go, buddy.
All right, guys. How was the fishing today?
Great.
What'd you catch?
I caught probably a catfish. I caught a catfish.
How about you?
I caught a catfish, a sauger, another sauger, and
White bass.
yeah, white bass.
So no walleyes today, but a few saugers, a couple of flathead. That's all we got for this time.